Tayo ngayon sa Applebee's Hyatt Mall. Andito ang inyong kamag-anak, si Mark Quaresma. Andito siya ngayon sa aming bar.
At ngayon po, meron po kaming tuturo sa inyo kung paano natin ipasok ang mga ginagawa namin dito. Meron kami dito kiwi. So ito ay ginagamit natin para sa paggawa ng kiwi melon sangre. Kita niyo po sa
yan ay export.
Napakalaki. At salamat po sa pagiging expert. At ngayon nakabalik na ako dito. But right now, we're trying to tell you that right here, we're making the coffee in this machine over here. And here is very nice. You can see everything.
What kind of machine you have?
Actually, we have different kind of machine. We have the computer machine right here. Actually, it's a computer, and we have the
machine,
coffee machine, coffee maker.
Aywa.
And we have also right here for the grinder. And here we have all the those money. And here we have a bar gun. We call this a bar gun. Then we have Pepsi, Mirinda, and everything right here. Mountain Dew. What do you want? If you want a drink like this, you do like this. You want a drink, huh? And how we mix this one, it's only a matter of...
Ayan si Mark, Englishero. Ayan ang expert na Englishero.
And here, huh? Mix, huh? Mix.
And I'm the janitor here.
And this one is our bartender.
Janitor.
At ang inyong lingkod, ang poging-poging Gio. Ayan. Torotot. Sa New Year Torotot.
Smoking.
FIFA.
Like Papa.
Like Papa, yeah?
Smoking here, right? Please smoke.
Yeah.
Smoking only, yeah?
Ayan ang LCD. Nanakawin ko yan bago ako umuwi.
Uwi natin.
Sa record yan.
Ito, ang host namin. Si Jello Mark.
Maganda yun, no? Ayun, no? Expert.
Ano yan? Anong meron dyan?
Meron dyang...
yan daw ang gawa ni Lindon.
Lindon na gumawa niya, color.
Ako, ito gawa ko. Ito. Applebee's.
Pwede niya yung ano?
Balloon.
You're the
Okay
balloon.
na.
Ayan, kailangan namin lumabas kasi.
Lalabas na daw siya.
Ito na lang muna tayo.
How are you?
Babalik ko ngayon.
Welcome, pare.
How are you? How are you?
How are you?
Panoorin natin.